Nature of a spirit. Do you know how much energy, how many powers, how many forces are still lurking behind that frame of yours? What scientists have known all that is in man. Millions of years have passed since man first came here, and yet but one finitesimal part of his power has the manifested. Therefore, you must not say that you are weak. How do you know what positive possibilities lie behind the degradation on the surface? You know the little that which is within you, for behind you the ocean of infinite power and blessedness. Fill yourselves with the ideal. Whatever you do, think well on. All your action will be magnified, transformed, defied, but every power of the thought. If matter is powerful, thought is omnipotent. Bring this thought to bear upon your life. Fill yourselves with the thought of your almightiness, your majesty and glory, says Swamy Vivakananda. Occupation of life is very important. The direction of our life depends on it. The wisdom pure conscious of a supreme self soul. Soul is the true essence of behind man complex nature. The milk pot hisses and swells as long as there is heat under it. Human life is a union of unque and matter, unity of many dimensions, freedom and bondage, purity and impurity, wisdom and ignorance, strength and weakness.